Fishing with shrimp for freshwater. This is great for any kind of fish, really, for freshwater. Just take a salad shrimp, number 6 hook. I like to hook it right in the middle and come through the back of the shrimp, pull a line through a little bit, and put the hook right in the back of the shrimp, just like that. So it looks just like that. So when you catch the fish, they actually swallow it. So if you're practicing catch and release, this is not really the preferred method. Or you could use this, but use a bigger hook. And you can catch most freshwater fish all day long with basic small or salad shrimp. We're going to give it a shot here, show you what it looks like. I just have that on basically a slip sinkers, swivel, and shrimp. And here's our fishing location. And the shrimp will definitely float. I use the sinkers to keep it underwater. And today it's a hot day. It's about in the 90s and the water temperature is probably in the mid 80s. I throw it out there and just let her sit.